What's up, sailors? Welcome you all to the Marine Singh YouTube channel. Today we will talk about coronavirus effect on shipping. Before moving further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload any video. When I am making this video, that is 30th April 2020, total number of COVID-19 case worldwide is almost 32 lakh plus. So yes, be safe, stay at home and watch our videos so to gain marine IQ high. Before moving further on effects, we should know that shipping is a derived demand. What does that mean? Derived demand is a sort of demand for services or goods that depends on the demand for the outputs. So in the case of shipping, demand it depends on demand in the world for the goods being shipped. Example, as demand for grain trend to be increased, so demand for shipping grows within it. We will talk about this topic in more depth in a particular video because it is a very deep video and a lengthy topic. For now, remember that if demand grows, shipping industry grows. Let's move forward. Decreased demand and supply for freight operators. The demand and supply for industries is currently at stake as most of the productions halted in the Chinese ecosystem. As the Chinese manufacturing industry accounts for the majority in worldwide exports, the drastic drop in demand and supply is observed in shipping industry. This has also hampered freight operations, resulting in the withdrawal of services in some of the region. If we see these points, we will get a fair idea of the situation. The points are of up February. You may check the update of it. I will put the link in the description. I won't be going through these indices as it will take time. Just know that it isn't showing any good thing. As shipbroker Intermodal said that the coronavirus outbreak is estimated to negatively affect global economy by at least euro 400 billion this year, representing around the 0.4% of global GDP. The degree to which different economies will be affected varies, with some countries looking at damage only in few industries. In that spirit, since the Greek economy is not very reliant to the Chinese one, we can assume that the sector that will suffer most will be tourism, taking into consideration the upcoming holiday cancellation domino effect from Asia-based citizens. In top of that, when the shipping industry is facing the outbreak, it is also going through a transition to opt from the lower surface sulfur fuel, which are costlier than the fuel which is previously being used. While a large number of ships are already going through retrofitting of scrubbers, this process might get hampered due to the workforce slowdown. The cost of regulatory compliance can be seen as a burden to the most of the freight operators as the revenue has declined and a result of hampered operational. There are stringent measures impacting trade traffic too. So the first one is the entry and exit of the ship. The entry and exit of the ships have also been restricted in various important ports as a quarantine measure to limit the outbreak impact. If we can already see this in news and all. The crew members will only be allowed if they are not found sick after the 14-day period, subject to certain guidelines by Marine Coast Guard. This strict quarantine is also causing a major step back for trade activities, keeping operations as a temporary halt. China is the major player in international trade, as it is home to the busiest and important shipping container ports in the world. The Shanghai and Yangtze port have been seen the serious impact of the novel coronavirus disrupting the massive trade activities on a large scale due to the stringent measures taken by the government. On 27th April, PAR, Port Authorities Roundtable members, in view of the global COVID-19 situation, states to keep global supply chain and trade going, and that merchant ships can conduct to berth at terminals to carry out cargo operations. You can read the circular. I have given the PDF link below, or you can find it in IMO website. So that's for it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button and like our video.